Allan at Soane. Hanbury yn uchel i'r cwrt nawr. Griffiths yn mynd amdani McCreation o hefyd. Ac yn y diwedd, Penbleth yn y cefn i Ffynnon Taf. Yn rhoi gol ar blat i'r tîm cartre. Am ddechrau i Lido Afan. Griffiths a McCreation cyfuno. McCreation ei thawle honna. Chris Jones. Ed King yn dod allan amdani. Methu dal y bêl. Ac yn gynnar yn yr ail hanner. Mae'r tîm cartre yn ymestyn i mantes nhw. McCreation eto. Yr ail iddo fe. Yr ail i'w dîm. A mae'r tîm sy'n drydydd yn y Nghyngrair yn cadw'r ceffyl y blaen o fewn gafel. Fowler yn hir. Trehan yn troi, Trehan dal i fynd. Trehan yr ergyd. Trehan! Oddi ar y postyn, ond mae fewn. Maen nhw wedi tynnu ddyn ôl. Yr ymwelwyr o fewn gol nawr, diolch i gol gampus gan Harry Trehan. Trehan wedi sgorio unwaith, Trehan yn mynd eto! Arbediad da gan Dimone Kene. Oedd angen i. Trehan wedi ffeindio'i anal Ffynnon Taf yn dal i bwyso. Dimone Kene yn dyrnu. A mae Ffynnon Taf wedi unioni. Vaughan Fowler, a capten o America, sydd yn cael y canmoliaeth wrth i gyd chwaraewyr a ni'n gyfartal yma yn Stadiwm Marston.
Good game, end-to-end, open. We took our minimal chances. If we'd finished them off, we'd have been obviously out of sight. But they played really well. I was impressed with Taffs. Well, they worked great. They commit by young lads, good in possession. Yeah, it was a draw, it was a fair result.
Found it difficult to find ourselves 2-0 down in that game, really. Thought we dominated for long periods of the game. Tried to play a bit of football. Created plenty of chances. Just couldn't finish that move off.
2 goals for yourself. Good goals?
Well, I'm going to claim the first goal, but I think a few other people might say different. But yeah, it's just nice to get on the score sheet, but it's disappointing really. We should be 2-0 up and put the game to bed. Game management wasn't great. Like I say, we dropped points now, which we should be keeping our points on to keep up the pressure on Britain Ferry and Llanelli and Carmarthen's up the table.
And on your recent run, you could be looking up the table as well.
Yeah. So the last, I think we're unbeaten in 8 now. So I think it's a good belief about the boys. You know, sometimes you don't know how to lose. So I think we're in that mode at the moment. But yeah, looking forward to it.